doing? Are you trying to burn the house down? Gary! No fires in the house! What are you doing? Why are you cooking marshmallows? Get out of the toilet!
So I got this big box from Amazon. Cat's over here. Let's see how long before it takes them to make this his new house. Yep.
What is your favorite kind of bean?
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a moment for a few words? Boop.
She's the sweetest little sweet pea in the whole wide world. What are we gonna do? What was that? What is it? There's a squirrel on the roof. Do you hear it?
Walk away.
You wanna grab the rope? This is Rapunzel, baby. Grab the rope. Grab it. Come on. Come on. You got this. I got you. Come on. Come on. Hold on. Hold on. Ready? Are you ready to go? Come on. You go.
It's so cute. Incredible. Très magnifique.
Incredible job.
Incredible job.
Hey.
Fingers away, right? The top touches the water.
Alright, will it bite my finger off?
No,
Actually,
just like that. You put your hand up more. Don't be scared, right? No, it's not gonna. Close your hand like that. Yeah. Go down some more. Some more.
Oh my god, they're gonna eat your finger. That's literally gonna be done.
Look at the way he's just holding the camera.
Present to you something legendary. It's so cute. Like, oh my god. Like, oh, hi.
guys, there is a manatee just straight up munching away on our grass.
Hey, dude. How's it going?
There's actually 2 of them.
Get off the table! Look what you fucking did!
What is your obsession? How did you even get that? Where are you taking it? Where are you?
Hello.
There's more than one? Yo, what the fuck? This guy's just chilling. What the hell? Yo, holy shit. This is fucking hilarious. Oh wait, there's more than one. Yo, what's up, fellas? Yo, whole squad came out. Oh shit, they out.
Okay, so my cat, instead of drinking the water, has found out that if he spills it all over the floor, he can make the bubbles go up.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have a comment on the drone strikes in Iran? Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a comment? Thank you.
So I'm working on the beach for 2 weeks, and this bird